Hey guys, it's the one and only HER.ARTIST and I'm back with yet another female model drawing video. Now, before I start drawing today's girl, I've noticed that most of you guys have yet to subscribe to my channel, so please do so if you want to see more art videos of beautiful models. Also, don't forget to give this video a quick like while doing so. Furthermore, if you've got any suggestions on which model I should draw next, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. And now that we've got that out of the way, let's start the video. So today I will be drawing Camila Alcaraz, a famous Instagram model and influencer from the USA. She has over 247,000 followers and over 565 posts on Instagram. She seems to be based in Laredo, Texas. She also seems to be Latina, I just don't know exactly in what country her roots lie. As you will see in the video, I attempted to add a rose to her hair, since I thought it would look good on her, but I wasn't pleased with the end result. So I then erased the rose and decided to draw her hair fully. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let me know what you think of the end result in the comment section down below.